So, you want to share games on Steam with your friends? It's really simple. What you have to do is click on the Steam icon in the top left corner, and you're gonna click on Settings. Then you're gonna click on Interface, Client Beta Participation. You're gonna select the Family Beta, which in this case I don't have, but you may have. After that, you're gonna click on Restart Steam. Then, when you enter it again, you're gonna click on your profile, just right here. Click on Account Details, and go to Family Management, and you're gonna have two options, either to join a family or to create a family. So in this case we're gonna create a family, and after that we're gonna click on create family. So in the case where the family beta doesn't show in the interface, it's because it's in default in your Steam, because in older versions they didn't have it. So you're gonna name your family, so let's name it, create, click on create. In my case I'm a limited account, so I can't create a family, but if you create a family, you have to add a member, so you can add it as an adult or as a child. So in this case, you're gonna add it as an adult if it's your friend, because adding it as a child will have him restrictions. So after you choose this account, he's gonna do the same thing and then go to family management. And instead of clicking on creating family, he's gonna click on join family, and your invitation will be just right there. You're gonna click on it, and you're gonna be in the same family. You're gonna have it. The right tab is the one that you can see all your games together. So if you bought a game, he can play it even though he didn't bought it, and that's it.